Hi guys, welcome to another video of Mathematics 2. In this case, we're gonna see the topic of polygons. And before we continue, I just want to tell you that this video belongs to a playlist, and that playlist, you can see it in the description below. Okay, so in this problem, okay, I forgot to write it, but in this problem, we need to find the value of the angle E. Okay, so we got the angle A. Well, we don't have the value of the angle B, C, and D. Okay, so I repeat, we need to find the value of the angle E. And okay, this is a polygon with 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's a pentagon. Okay, so how are we going to do it? Okay, so for example, there are many ways to do it. There is a formula that says something like this: the sum of the interior angles in a polygon, in a convex polygon, equals n minus 2 times 180 degrees, where n, this value of n, is the number of sides. So with this formula, we are going to see how much is the sum of all the interior angles in this polygon. So we're gonna do it. Let's do it right now. Okay, so parentheses, this polygon has 5 sides, so 5 minus 2 parentheses times 180 equals, okay, so the sum, I'm gonna write it with blue. The sum of the interior angles in this polygon of 5 sides is 540 degrees. Okay, so how is that going to help me? Because well, I only have 3 interior angles. But for example, you can see this one over here. You have the angle B. Okay, so there is another formula that says that the interior angle plus the exterior angle in a polygon equals 180 degrees. Okay, so from here we have this angle of 110 degrees, so we just need this value over here, and that angle will be the number that we need in order to complete 180 degrees. Okay, so that can be written like this: the angle B, that is the interior angle, plus the angle B prime. Okay, the angle B prime is how I'm calling the exterior angle. So that is going to be 180 degrees. Okay, so the angle B equals 180 degrees minus the exterior angle, and the exterior angle is 110. So the angle B equals, well, let's get the calculator. 180 minus 110 equals 70 degrees. Okay, so this little angle B equals 70 degrees. So that means, for example, the angle A plus B plus C plus D equals the angle, and also plus the angle E equals 540 degrees, because that is the sum of the interior angles in this polygon. So the only thing that I'm going to do is that the value of the angle E equals 540 minus the angle A minus the angle B minus the angle C minus the angle D. And with that operation, I'm going to find the value of the angle E. So let's do it. Okay, so 540 minus, I can do this. So I can, well, let's do this. Just how it's written, 105 minus the angle B is 70 minus the angle C is 150 minus the angle D, that is 120, equals, okay, so the angle E equals 95 degrees. and this is the answer. Now, it is important to mention that this polygon is not a regular polygon. How do we know that? Because in a regular polygon, the sides and the angles, all the angles measure the same. Okay, I repeat, in a regular polygon, all the angles have the same measure, and of course, this doesn't happen in this case, but we can use this formula and this formula over here. Okay, so I hope you understood this video, and I hope I see you in the next one. See you guys. Bye bye.